With only 3 tablespoons a day you will lower your cholesterol and lose belly fat like crazy. Today we decided to present you a powerful remedy, which will boost your overall health, help you reduce the bad cholesterol levels, and eliminate the stubborn fat. The basic ingredient in this remedy is garlic. The following drink will promote the function of organs, purify the blood, and boost the immune system along with blood vessels and heart. Moreover, it is extremely beneficial for the metabolism and the weight loss process. Garlic portion drink. Ingredients: 12 cloves garlic, peeled. Half liter of red wine. Instructions: first, cut the garlic cloves and place them in a jar. Then, pour the wine over them. Keep the jar closed in a sunny place for 2 weeks. You should shake the jar every day. Next, after 2 weeks, transfer the liquid into a dark glass bottle. Consume 1 tablespoon of this drink 3 times a day for 1 month. Then, make a break for 6 months. Health benefits of garlic portion drink. This powerful drink is packed with anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, anti-cancer and antibacterial properties. It provides the following benefits: maintains health of blood vessels and heart, treats inflammatory diseases, reduces cholesterol levels, eliminates toxins from the body, clean the blood, removes excess salt from the body, improves metabolism, fat burn, increases energy, increases stamina. Garlic is a great ingredient, which is extremely beneficial for the heart and the brain. It protects the cells in the body and promotes the weight loss process. Furthermore, it improves the brain function, stimulates memory, and protects the brain against toxicity. On the other hand, red wine is a natural source of resveratrol, which is a natural source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Hence, red wine can prevent the formation of blood clots and prevent heart attacks and heart failure. Moreover, it inhibits the growth and spread of cancer cells and kills them while leaving healthy cells intact. Stay healthy and positive. Share and make your loved ones aware. Thank you very much and have a nice day.